Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome to Mask Monday. Now for today's video, I found this paint on face mask at Walmart this past weekend. So I thought it would be a fun mask to share with you guys. And this is supposed to be one of the peel off face masks. So we are all gonna find out together whether this is going to be a success or a failure. But after I apply that and while it's drying, I thought would be a great time to share another fun little DIY project with you guys. This time it is a Christmas shadow box and it's super easy and simple and I can't wait to share it with you. Now last week I made a fall centerpiece, and with Thanksgiving coming up, if you guys are out there looking for an idea for a centerpiece for your table, I will leave the link up here and you guys can go check that out and maybe it could help you create a cute centerpiece for your table. Okay, so with all that said, we are going to go ahead and get directly into the face mask. We are going to apply it and see what we think. And then as it's drying, we are going to pull the camera back and I'm going to show you the fun little DIY project I got for you. And I think you guys are going to like it because I think it's customizable to whatever you like. So that's the good thing about it too. Okay, so now with this, there's 3 varieties as you can see. So I'm going to start with this middle one right here. And what it says about this, it says thoroughly clean and dry your face with warm water. Done did it, done. Spread evenly over your face, avoiding your eyes, hairlines, and lips. Wear a mask until completely dry. This may take up to 30 minutes. Peel off in a downward or upward motion from the outer edges. Rinse off all remaining residue with warm water. Now this is what it looks like. As you can see, it just has this little applicator right here, and then the 3 varieties. This is just like a spatula. It's just a rubber. It's not bristles. It's just like a piece of rubber, like a piece of silicone. I'm gonna open this. Ooh, now look at this. Now this is it has stars, silver stars, and it looks very gooey. So this looks like it's gonna be a hit or a miss. I don't know about this one, guys. Okay guys, I have it applied. Now I'm going to pull the camera back so you guys can see the project and how it works. I think you guys are really going to enjoy this. This is really cute and I will be right back. Okay, so what I am creating today are Christmas shadow boxes, and I found this idea on micaels.com. I will leave the link down below. Now I do have a 3-piece set, but I went ahead and did the first 2 so you guys could get an idea of what it looks like. All you do is go to Michael's and you buy these little shadow boxes. You can get a set of 3 of them for $14.99. Now, the items that you need for this, the background is simply wrapping paper, but actually I ended up finding tissue paper at the dollar store, which was only $2. And then Christmas snow. We all have Christmas snow in our houses. And these are some penguins, a little metal penguin that I made with a little Christmas tree. So this was my first one that I created. And then the second one that I created was similar. And that was this one. And this was a little reindeer with a little red Christmas tree with snow down here, and also used just a different background. But I wanted to keep them all different, but all similar. So I thought I'm going to share the 3rd one and do it on camera with you guys so you guys can see how it works and how easy it is to put together. Now I also think it would be great because this fits my personal theme. I'm very whimsical with snowman for my Christmas theme, but you could also create a 3-piece set, say with a nativity scene, Or if you like farmhouse country, you could do something like that. Or if you're more elegant and like white classic, like you create whatever you want. This is just a general idea, and this is how you create it to make your own themes. And here's the way it looks when it comes. It is just your basic shadow box. Now they had this in red, they had it also in white, and they also had it in black. So that way also it could fit your color schemes in your own house. Now all you do is you take the back off, and this is the way the shadow box looks on the inside, just like that. So we will put that off to the side. Now to save time, I already got everything ready to go. I've decided I am going to create this scene right here. And I thought I'm gonna have my snowman with my little tree sitting on top of the snow for this one too. The other ones had like the red snowflakes, like this one here. I thought the little snowman would look cute for the snowman centerpiece. So that's what we're gonna do with this guy. So we're gonna put this little baby over here for right now because we don't need you, but it's easy to assemble. Now I tell you, the hardest part about this project is figuring out what your theme is gonna be. But once you do figure out what your theme's gonna be, it's so easy. So all you do is you take your backer board, there's where you hang it on the back, and all you have to do is tape it. So I'm gonna tape this. You will see how easy, it's just like wrapping a gift, nothing hard about it. Have your tape. Now they also, depending on what centerpieces you use, they recommend you could use a hot glue gun. But with this, since it's so fluffy, it kind of just like sticks together when you put it all together. So I'm not even gonna have to have hot glue gun for this at all. Okay, then I'm gonna fold this piece in here. And like I said, it's just like wrapping a present. Nothing hard about it. So there it is, halfway done. Oh, see, I just made a mistake, guys. There, I'm not gonna edit this. I'm going to show you a mistake, and I think I can recover from this without any difficulty since it is just Scotch tape. But did you just see what I did? I had my snowman upside down. Let's try this again. See, that happens. But no biggie. As you can see, I'm glad I checked my work before I got any further and didn't complete it. Okay, there we go. Now we're back on track. Now the snowman's going in the right direction. We would have had upside down snowman. I don't think that would have looked good. Okay, now the snowmen are in the right direction with the vertical hanger. I'm probably not going to even use these hangers because I plan on putting them on a shelf with my Christmas village. But, you know, just make sure, that's just a good tip to do, just to make sure in case I change my mind in the future and I do want to hang them. You never know, so you don't want to limit yourself. And just fold that over just like you would a present. Go ahead and tape it. How are you guys doing out there today? We are in Ohio and we are having, it is like 75 out there today, which is very unusual for us. We are having a little mini heat wave and it's fabulous. A lot of people are out there today riding their motorcycles. They're trying to get their last little ride in before we get snowed in, and it's a dream of the past. So this is very rare in November that we're getting such beautiful weather. But we are, and today is actually Sunday, by the way. This is not Monday. So last week I did Face Mask Monday, and I had trouble with my memory, so I said this week I'm going to do it on Sunday and have it ready to go for Monday morning. Okay, so as you can see, how simple is that? Now, you're gonna see how easy this is. What you do is, okay, here's the top. So I'm gonna be working from the bottom. Now I've already got my snow ready to go. You put it down here at the bottom, and I cut, like this tree came completely round, but to fit it, I cut it halfway so it would be flat. So we're gonna put that right there, like that. And then we're gonna put the snowman right there. And now it might take a couple times to make sure everything lines up correctly. But before I actually fasten it, let's take a peek. Nope. See, this is what you gotta do. My Christmas tree's a little crookedy there, so we're gonna go back and fix that before we lock it down. There you go, straighten up. Okay. Yay! Okay, it looks like it worked that time, so I'm happy with that. So I'm gonna go ahead and lock that down. Now, as you can see, how easy is that? And there were so many things that I had in my Christmas upstairs in my attic that you really don't have to spend a lot of money, because a lot of this stuff I already owned. Like I was able to get this at the dollar store. I did buy this week for $1 at the Dollar General store. But I already had the Christmas tree and I already had the snow. The only thing I bought was the tissue paper and the frames. But as you can see, you could completely make this your own, use your own design, what your theme is in your house, and it's super easy. It's just go up in your attic and you're most likely gonna have little old ornaments that you can just repurpose, and it's really easy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this fun little DIY Christmas shadow box idea. Like I said, I found this on Michaels. I will leave the link with all the instructions in the description box down below. And now we are going to see how this face mask works and see if it peels off like they say it will. Okay, everyone, I am back. It has been more like 35 minutes. I think I made a couple mistakes with this, and the first one I want to tell you about is make sure you don't wear a shirt you really love, because things will get on it. Thank goodness this was just a plain t-shirt, so no harm, no foul. And the second thing is my forehead dried faster and right down here dried faster, but on my cheeks I put on too much, and so it's still slightly damp, and I don't think we're gonna get the whole peel. So next time, if I do this next week's, I will definitely put it on a little bit thinner. Okay, so let's go ahead and see if we can get this peel off. I don't know. I think around the cheeks it might break apart a little bit, but I don't know. Maybe it is gonna peel. We will see. Starting off good enough. Makeup wipes right here ready to go. Got a little bit in my hair. We'll just scrub that off. And my face seems a little bit red from this one. I've never tried this, but it could be just because I peeled it off. I don't know. Maybe it could be the vitamin C doing that too. We will definitely, I will let you know at the bottom of the screen if it doesn't lighten up, but my skin's pretty tough. I have tough skin. I'm pretty lucky that way. So anyway, I think it's just red because I just peeled that off. So we're gonna go ahead and close this video out. I hope you enjoyed my little DIY project. Like I said, you could do so many different things. You do your theme. And I think for for $20 pretty much overall, a lot of the items I already had, but I think it's a cute little project to do for Christmas. Okay, and remember I did the fall one last week. If you didn't see that, click right here and you can see the fall centerpiece because Thanksgiving is coming. Okay, so I hope you guys have a lovely day and I will see you on next Mask Monday.
Fun, 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 fun. Yeah, 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 yeah.